Hey there, welcome to our video on quantum computing, the next frontier in computing power. Are you ready to learn about one of the most exciting and rapidly advancing technologies of our time? Quantum computing is a field of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform operations on data. This new form of computing has the potential to solve problems that traditional computers can't even dream of. But before we dive into the specifics of quantum computing, let's first talk about classical computing. Classical computers use bits, which are binary digits that can only have a value of 0 or 1. These bits are used to store and process information. Now, imagine a world where the bits can be in multiple states at the same time. This is exactly what happens in quantum computing. Instead of bits, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits. These qubits can exist in multiple states simultaneously, which is called superposition. And because of this property, quantum computers can perform certain types of calculations much faster than classical computers. One of the most important quantum computing applications is quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography is a method of communicating securely using the principles of quantum mechanics. It is considered to be the most secure form of communication because it is impossible to intercept or tamper with a quantum signal without leaving a trace. Another application is quantum simulation, where quantum computers are used to simulate complex systems such as molecules and materials. This could have a huge impact on fields such as chemistry, materials science, and drug discovery. Quantum computing also has the potential to revolutionize the field of machine learning. With the help of quantum computers, machine learning algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of data much faster than traditional computers. So, you might be thinking, with all these benefits, when will quantum computers be available for everyday use? Well, we're not quite there yet. While significant progress has been made in the field of quantum computing, there are still many challenges that need to be overcome. One of the biggest challenges is that quantum computers are extremely sensitive to their environment, which makes them difficult to control and maintain. Despite these challenges, research in quantum computing is continuing to progress at a rapid pace, and it is expected that we will see practical applications of quantum computing in the near future. In conclusion, quantum computing is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to change the way we live and work. It has the potential to solve problems that traditional computers can't even dream of, and will play a major role in shaping the future of technology. So, that's it for today's video on quantum computing, the next frontier in computing power. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching.